Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to go through with you how to make money $7 per day with Skillshare.com. So for example, head over to Skillshare. You're going to land over to this site. For your information, Skillshare is a platform whereby people can learn any skill set online, like a Photoshop, a writing skill, like art and design skill. For example, this is a workshop here where people can join with the watercolor art, productivity creative, create a daily art practice, and etc. So it has so many different category like logo design. This one is visual thinking, establish your writing practice, leadership as well here, fundamental of social media marketing, and etc. So I would say like Skillshare is more to the hobby, where you can learn a lot of hobby, and then maybe you have some sort of idea to make some supplemental income with the skill, right? So as you can tell, if you have a skill, you're going to be able to make a lot of money online right now. Okay, but now how you are going to make money, which is make $7 per day with Skillshare. So for your information, Skillshare has their own affiliate program, whereby if you scroll down, you're going to find the link here, and if you click on the link, you're going to be able to sign up for free as an affiliate, and then you are going to be able to promote any class or any module on Skillshare, and then when people sign up from you, you're going to be able to make money. All right guys, before I dive right into the content, if you just came across to the video, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to smash the like button if you like this video, so that I know you like this type of video, so I can produce more content similar to this. All right, so let's head off back to the Skillshare, and then we're going to click on the affiliates. So if you take a look at the affiliate here, you're going to be able to earn $7 for every new customer you refer to Skillshare. All right, so Skillshare is an established platform whereby it has almost 36,000 online classes and 60,000 student project and a 30-day day cookies. Okay, this means that if you refer someone to Skillshare, and if they not buy yet, it is completely okay, because and if let's say they're going to buy the next 11 days, the next 20 days, or the next 25 days, you still going to make the commission, because it has the system of 3-day cookies here. So this is very, very good. All right, so it also has the real-time tracking and the monthly payouts. So for your information, Skillshare affiliates can earn $7 in commission for each new customer that sign up for a premium membership or a free trial. All right, so either way, whether your customers sign up for the premium membership or free trial, you're still going to be able to make $7 in commission. So how cool is that, guy? This is very, very powerful, so that you can literally refer to your audience, and then whenever your audience sign up, you're going to make $7 right off the bat. So regardless of whether they're going to go for the premium membership or the free trial. Okay, so that is basically what this platform is all about. So what you can do here, you're going to find, like for example, if you want to promote like Photoshop. Okay, so this is actually something that I interested in as well, because I would like to learn how to to do Photoshop, to use Photoshop. So it has a bunch of different courses into learn how to use the Photoshop, graphic design for beginners. So just take a look at the student here, guys. Okay, so this one has 6,000 students, this one 4,000. Just take a look at it, has 1,000 of students, so means that this course in Skillshare is very, very powerful. So take a look at this one, 21,000, this one 73,000, Adobe Photoshop CC essential training course. Right, so if you take a look at this site here, you're going to be able to see the list of the course here. Right, so this is introduction, and before you start this, blah blah blah. So you can go through all this course. Okay, so if you are interested, so many people might be interested with all this course, and as a matter of fact, they can literally sign up for free, and then they can decide whether or not they want to go with the premium membership or just the free membership. Okay, so what you can do now is, it's time to attract traffic to this offer. Okay, so what you can do is, I would like to suggest you to go to Facebook and simply type in like Photoshop tutorial. Right, so Photoshop tutorial, or maybe you can type in Photoshop, and then you're going to land over to this site, and then you want to sort it by groups. Okay, click on the group, and then you can see a bunch of different Photoshop groups. For example, this one, Lightroom and Photoshop tutorial and resources. For example, if you go to this group over here, just take a look at the group. This one has 28,000, this one 62,000. So there are so many Photoshop groups that teaching people how to actually use the Photoshop software, right? So what you can do here is you can just take a look at all these people here. You can also comment down here, right? So for example, like this one, you can comment hello, like for example, hi. So just post it here, and then you're going to take your affiliate link on somewhere here. You might want to, okay, so you're gonna need to join for free first. Just click on join. So you're gonna need to fill all the form here, your first name, your last name, your email, and blah blah blah. And then once you get signed up, you're gonna be able to get your affiliate link. All right, so this is the condition list of the category premium, $7 per order, and also has the additional $8 payout, which is order promo code is annual. This is for annual. So for annual, you're going to get $8 additional payout, right? So just simply sign up, and then you're going to be able to get your affiliate link. So what you need to do next is just go ahead to the group back, and then you can type in like, okay, and then you place your affiliate link here. Okay, so that is how you're going to get a free sign up for your Skillshare. Okay, so you might want to do that for a couple of times within a different group, because as you can see here, there are so many Photoshop group available. Like this one is 60K, this one 3.5, this one is 65. There's so many people that targeted people actually wanted to learn how to use Photoshop. Okay, so just go ahead and join each and every one of this Photoshop group on Facebook, and then you're going to share your link in the comment, or you can also post a new post on the in the group, and to ask them to join the free tutorial. Anyway, it is free, so people love free stuff, so they don't even need to pay any dime in order to join. Okay, and the best part, either way they join with the premium membership or the free membership, you're going to still gonna get paid, right? So that is number one. And number two is you can head off to Quora.com, and then what you can do is you can type in, like for example, the first example is Photoshop, but in Quora maybe you want to promote something like related to maybe writing, for example. Okay, so if I go back to Quora, I'm going to type in how to write an essay, for example. Okay, or how to make money writing, for example. So I'm going to click search, and then you can see like just simply type in here writing, and then enter creative writing. So as you can see, there are so many different writing courses available. This one is creative writing for all, creative writing, crafting personal essay with impact, right? So the writer tools kit, right? So there's so many writing courses available here. This one has 10,000 of students, this one 31,000 of students, right? This one is personal essay with impact, this one is journaling, okay, 39,000. So you can pick one of these courses and then recommend them that to all these people who are looking for how to make money with writing, right? So for example, like if I click one of these, you're going to land over to the site, or maybe you can also type in like according to the course here, for example, like maybe writing for consistency, finding your creative voice, right? Creative writer toolkit, writing for online engagement, right? There are so many ways. Crafting personal essay, writing toolkits. Maybe I want to find like writing authentic fiction, writing fiction, for example, right? I'm going to type in writing fiction. Okay, so I press enter, and then you're going to see all the question. Okay, so what are the most common cliche in fiction writing? How do you show versus style in writing fiction? Just take a look at this one, right? This is the first one that we found just now. How can I make money writing online? So I can see here 533 people are following this post or this question here. Means that once you answer all this question, all these three people, what 533 people going to get notified, and then maybe they're going to get to your answer and check out your link. Okay, so just take a look at this one. So these answers has been viewed for almost 2,000 people. Okay, this is free traffic, guys. Okay, so this is how you're going to be able to get signed up for free for your Skillshare account, and then get $7 per day. You can also add a comment here. Let's type in hi. So then just paste your link here, your affiliate link from the Skillshare, and then when people see your comment, and then when they click and they get signed up, you're going to be able to make $7 every sign up. Okay, so this is the second one, which is how do you show versus tell in fiction writing. So it has been following for 119 people and it has 51 answer. So what you're gonna do is you can answer straight to the question, or simply click this one, or you can also add the comment on that particular or the existing answer. Okay, so just click on the comment and then you can comment, and then don't forget to leave your link and ask them if they are interested to learn more. You have the free course from Skillshare. Okay, so guys, that's pretty much it. That is how you're going to be able to make $7 every single day with free share. I don't think it is too hard to do, because by the way, it is 100% free. People can sign up for free, and then you're going to be able to make money, make $7 once people sign up. Okay, so as you can see, regardless of whether they are going for the premium membership or free, you're going to still get paid. All right, so membership, premium membership, I'm sorry, or free trial. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and do smash the like button if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See you in my next video. Bye bye.